Hey everyone, it's Yoslin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is a vlog, as you guys can see from the title, and I basically vlogged for 3 days. I didn't mean to vlog for 3 days, it kind of just happened. Pretty sure I titled it like getting rid of all of my clothes, but that was kind of clickbait because I didn't do that, but I got rid of a lot of my clothes. So I didn't get rid of all of my clothes, but I got rid of a lot of my clothes. Yeah, that's why I titled this video that. But hopefully you guys still enjoy watching it, and if you want to see what happens in this vlog, then just keep on watching. I was supposed to be vlogging, and I have not been vlogging at all. I don't think there'll be a vlog for Sunday, because usually I upload my vlogs on Sunday. I was supposed to upload me dyeing my hair today, which is Saturday, but I didn't do that. It's too late now. It's already 4 o'clock, and usually I upload around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. I upload around that time, and it's already 4, and I have not edited at all, and it takes me like an hour to edit. So I think me dyeing my hair will be uploaded Sunday, and then that means no vlog. I was supposed to upload, but the thing is I have not been home all day, so that's why I haven't. I'm gonna make a vision board. Yeah, I'm not gonna say too much about that, but yeah, I'm gonna be making a vision board. So I bought a magazine. I'm not gonna make the vision board today, I'll probably make it tomorrow, but yeah, I bought a magazine and a big board. I've been wanting to make one for a long time, and I was like, whatever, I'll just make it now. I'm hungry, it's already late, so we're gonna get In-N-Out, and I'm really excited for that because I'm hungry. I have not had In-N-Out in so long. We've been eating Chick-fil-A a lot on Saturdays, but today we're getting In-N-Out. I love Chick-fil-A, but I also love In-N-Out, so. My nails changed colors. Do you guys see that? They used to be like this color, and then they faded, and I have no idea why. Guess my nails are ombre now. I'll update you guys when I actually do something, because right now I'm just talking, so yeah. I did my eyeliner so good today. Like, they look more even than they usually do. I've been practicing. Like, if you watch my last vlogs, I talk about how I've been trying to get better eyeliner, and I feel like today I did better. They're not the best, but they look a little bit better than they usually do, so yeah. Okay, I'm currently getting ready for church, and I put on this outfit, but it looks not good at all. I don't know, should I change my pants? Okay, I have this shirt on, and I have these pants on. They don't fit how I want them to fit. I wanted them to be like loose mom jeans, but my loose mom jeans are dirty. Okay, but I'm just gonna wear these, and then I have this shirt on. This was my mom's shirt, but then she gave it to me, which I'm actually really happy because it's Ralph Lauren, and I love Ralph Lauren, so. I'm putting on my shoes, and I'm gonna go to church. I already had In-N-Out. I didn't vlog that. Yeah, this outfit does not look good, but I have nothing else to wear, so I'm gonna wear this. The jeans are, like, not loose. And I have these shoes on, but it doesn't look good. So, I don't know. I'm basically already ready, because I just had to change my outfit, and my hair's already done. I don't like this outfit. Okay, but I gotta go now, so. You know how I was like, okay, bye. Well, turns out my mom's not ready. So, she's almost ready. She's almost ready, but she's not quite ready. I'm gonna show you guys what I recently got, and I love. Okay, I recently got this, and I love it. It's the Rare Beauty. I got the blush and the concealer. They're like my 2 favorite things ever. So I got this blush. I got the shade Nearly Mauve. I don't know how to say that. I'm the shade 300C, and I love both of these. I honestly didn't know if I was gonna like them. I wanted to get the blush that's like in this tube because I hear it lasts a really long time, but the Sephora I went to, they didn't have any. I just got this one, and I'm so happy they had this one because I didn't know if I wanted this one or the other one, but I really like this one. Like, I think it's so pretty. Like the packaging too. It's so cute. I used to use this concealer, and it looks like this, and it looks so bad. Like, it's a Maybelline, but they don't even sell this one, or at least I haven't seen it anymore. And then I bought this one, but I don't even like it. I got the wrong shade, that's why I don't like it. It's too dark, so yeah. Oh, also, I forgot to tell you guys what I got from In-N-Out. I'll just tell you guys my In-N-Out order. So I always get a root beer flow. I love root beer flows from In-N-Out, so I always get a root beer flow. Then I got fries. I got a cheeseburger, animal style. Add ketchup, add chilies, no onions or tomatoes. And that is so good. That's like one of my favorite things from there. So yeah, that's the order I always get. Okay, now that's all. I'm literally so tired. You can tell I'm tired just by like looking at my eyes. It is currently 12:11 a.m. and I just finished editing my video. This is what happens when you procrastinate and you want to upload a video on Sunday, but you don't want to edit it on Saturday. It took me about an hour to edit, and it's gonna be uploaded tomorrow on Sunday, which is good. I'm gonna take a shower now because I need to take a shower. And then I'm gonna continue editing because I actually didn't finish editing. I still have to add a couple things and make the thumbnail and then upload it to YouTube, and then I can go to bed. I'm on the swing and it's windy. I have a coffee. There's Sasha too. I did not upload a video today because I uploaded one yesterday. So I need to upload one tomorrow. I don't need to upload one today. It's sunny and there's like a breeze. It's perfect. It really is. That is what I'm currently doing. It's the next day. It's 12:01 p.m. So I have to do my laundry. I have a mess over there. It's a lot of laundry because I had a lot of laundry to do and I washed it all and I didn't put it away. I just washed it and threw it on my couch. So today I'm gonna put all the laundry away. I got ready for the day, obviously. I did my hair in these 2 braids. I put it in like pigtails and then I braided it because I don't really like how the top is always loose. So I did this so it's neater. Yeah, I'm wearing this sweater that I haven't worn in so long. I'm gonna put my laundry away now and this is gonna be in time lapse. Okay, so I put all the clothes away. As you guys can see, there's nothing on my couch now. I was getting clothes out of my closet because I'm saving clothes to take to Plato's Closet. So I cleaned out my closet a little bit. I'll show you guys what I'm getting rid of. I'll get rid of this because it's too... Oh wait, this is the wrong one. Oops. This one's too small on me. It's this blue shirt. So I'm gonna put this in. This skirt because it's too big. I think it's a men's shirt, so that's why. I have this one. I've never worn this. It's like a crop top, but I've never worn it. I don't know if they'll take this because it doesn't have like a brand or anything, but I'm taking this one. I've never worn it. Taking this one. This used to be like one of my favorite shirts. It says Malibu on it. This used to be one of my favorite shirts too, but I don't wear it that often anymore. You know when you wear clothes so much that you get bored of them? That's kind of how I feel about these. Then we have this shirt. I don't know if they're going to take any of this stuff because it kind of all depends on if they like it or not. Then I have this dress. I really don't think they'll like this one, but I'm going to take it anyways. Like a sundress, I guess. I don't know. This one's from American Eagle, but I don't know. It looks like this and it doesn't fit me anymore, so I wore it like once 2 years ago. I only bought it for an occasion that I had to go to. This is like a Calvin Klein crew neck, spring and summer, and I don't know if this is considered not that. So I wore this one on Thanksgiving and I don't like it anymore. So this bag is so full. An Instagram photo with this top and I'm now gonna give it away. This bag is so heavy, like I can barely even carry it. It's so heavy. Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna go. Really soon because I want to buy new clothes, but yeah, I think that's all the clothes I had. I didn't really look in my pants or anything because I don't think I have any pants that I want to give away. Laundry is clean, my room's clean. It wasn't really dirty, it was just the laundry. I have to edit and upload this video today, so I don't know when I'm gonna do that. It's 12:53 right now, so I should probably do that now. I'm gonna end the video here so I can edit it. This was like 3 days of me vlogging, but yesterday I didn't really vlog. That's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I'm trying to vlog once every week. Last week I didn't vlog, but I promise I will try to vlog more. So this week's vlog is actually early because usually I upload them on Sundays. Let me know if you guys like these vlogs. I don't really know if you guys actually like watching them, so let me know down below. But that is it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!